What is up, everybody? How's it going? How's it going? Well, with A1 like 6 days away, we have the track map, which looks great. Personally, I think it's super cool. The split starts left right. Always have been a fan of that. It's just a good way of doing it. Going into a hard left, a lot of rhythms in this thing. Only one real whoop section, which most people don't really like the whoops because they're too hard. Whatever, they slow racing down now. But the left side of that track, all rhythm. Right side of the track, all rhythm. Big long straight down the middle with the over under bus jump, whatever you want to call it. I think this certainly helps people like Cooper Webb who aren't very good with whoops. A little bit less helpful for people like Christian Craig who glide over them like no one's business. But you tell me, what do you think of the track map? Who do you think's gonna win? How do you think all the signings of going people left, right to different teams are going to go? In the comments below, tell me whatever you wanted. And I appreciate it all. I'll listen to it, I'll reply, I'll comment myself. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment, do all the fun things because obviously playing the YouTube algorithm game, it helps me a lot and I appreciate it. See you later. Peace.